So, you need to know stuff. And sometimes that means going deep on a topic. But that can be a lot. Now, your Google Pixel has deep research with Gemini Advanced, so a lot feels a whole lot easier. Like, say you have an idea for this guy. Hi, buddy. Just type, bring me up to speed on how to get my dog certified as a service animal, and recommend some local volunteer opportunities for us on Saturdays. You'll get a clear and detailed research plan. Nice. Looks good to me. Gemini can help you do hours of work in just a few minutes. And here it is, everything you need to get started in one tidy dock. Like a walk in the park. See what I did there? That's how you turbocharge the search in research. Gemini Deep Research, now on Google Pixel.